Hello everyone, welcome back to B Civil Engineers. In this video, we will learn bar bending schedule of raft footing. And this lecture covers the cutting length of distribution bar, main bar, and the number of bars required for main bars and distribution bars. Then the total length of the steel. And finally, we will cover the summary of the BBS table. So let's get started. Let's calculate the cutting length of main bar, and the diameter of main bar is 10 mm. Main bars are always placed along the shorter direction of the footing, that is width of the footing. And the formula for calculating cutting length of main bar is width of the footing minus 2 times of clear cover minus 2 times of hook height minus 2 times of 2D. Here 2D is the bend deduction. So bend deduction 2D equals to 2 multiplied by 10. 10 is the diameter of main bar, which is equals to 20 mm. Hook height is 300 mm. You can clearly see here. And the width of the footing is 2000. Clear cover is 50 mm. So the cutting length of main bar is equals to 2000 minus 2 times of clear cover 2 multiplied by 50 plus 2 times of hook height 2 multiplied by 300 minus 2 times of bend deduction 2 multiplied by 20. So if you calculate it, then it will come as 2460 mm. So each main bar should be cut 2.460 meters exactly in the field. Now let's calculate the cutting length of distribution bar. The diameter of distribution bar is 8 mm. And the formula for calculating cutting length of distribution bar is length of the footing minus 2 times of clear cover plus 2 times of hook height minus 2 times of bend deduction. The only component which has changed here is length of the footing instead of width of the footing, because distribution bars are placed along the length of the footing. So bend deduction 2D equals to 2 multiplied by 8, which is equals to 16 mm, and the hook height is 300 mm, length of the footing is 3000 mm, clear cover is 50 mm. So if you substitute all these values, then you will get the cutting length of distribution bar. 3000 minus 2 times of clear cover 2 multiplied by 50 plus 2 times of hook height 2 multiplied by 300 minus 2 times of bend deduction 2 multiplied by 16, which is equals to 3468 mm, otherwise 3.46 meters. So this is the exact length of one distribution bar that needs to be cut in the field. Now that we know the cutting length of main bar and distribution bar, let us calculate how many bars are actually required. So to calculate the number of main bars required, the formula is length minus 2 times of clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. Why we are adding 1? Because we should always consider the starting bar. So if you look at this layout, then you will understand main bars are placed 100 mm center to center spacing across the length of the footing. That's why we are taking length here. So we have length of the footing, diameter of main bar, center to center spacing and clear cover. Substitute these values to get the number of bars. Number of bars equals to 3000 minus 2 times of clear cover divided by 100. 100 is spacing plus 1. 1 is for starting bar. So 2900 by 100 plus 1. 29 plus 1 equals to 30 numbers. These 30 numbers are for either top or bottom. So top and bottom combined, we require 30 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 60 number. So we require 60 number of main bars to form this particular footing. Now let's calculate the number of distribution bars required, and the formula is width minus 2 times of clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. I have already explained you why we are adding 1 here. Distribution bars are placed at 150 mm center to center spacing across the width of the footing. So width is 200 mm, distribution bar diameter is 8 mm, distribution bar spacing is 150 mm, and the clear cover is 50 mm. So substitute these values to get the number of bars. Number of bars equals to 2000 minus 2 times of clear cover, that is 2 multiplied by 50 divided by 150, that is distribution bar center to center spacing plus 1. So 1900 divided by 150 plus 1, which is equals to 13.67 numbers. So number of bars required at top or bottom is 14 numbers, and total number of bars required 2 multiplied by 14, which is equals to 28 numbers. So in BBS summary table, we need to have these columns: type of bar, diameter, cutting length, number of bars, spacing between them, and total length. So distribution bars diameter is 8 mm, cutting length is 3.46 meters, and the number of bars required are 28 numbers for top and bottom, and spacing is 150 mm. So if you multiply number of bars with cutting length of each bar, then you will get the total length of bar, that is 97.104 meter. And for main bar, the diameter is 10 mm and the cutting length is 2.460, and the number of bars are 60 numbers, and the spacing between them is 100 mm. And so always take 5 to 10 percentage extra quantity for the wastage. If this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel, We Civil Engineers. Thank you for watching.